Okay, everyone. Today is April 22 and for our daily devotion, our topic is entitled Heart of Worship. Our verse for today is John 4:21 to 24. A woman, Jesus replied, believing a time is coming when you will worship the Father neither on this mountain nor in Jerusalem. You Samaritan worship what you do not know. We worship that we do know. For salvation is from the Jews. Yet the time is coming and has now come when the true worshiper will worship the Father in the Spirit and in the truth. For they are kind of worshiper the Father's sake. God is Spirit, and His worshiper must worship in the Spirit and truth. So Jesus tells a woman that they worship wrongly. They worship not on the right track. They worship wrong. That's why He teaches that she should worship the things that He knows, not those things that He knows. For the worshiper is the Spirit of truth, and the worshiper should worship the Spirit and the truth. Our teaching worship is boundless. It is endless. You can worship at anywhere. You can worship Him anywhere. Worship is spiritual encounter. By worshiping, by singing, by dancing, by saying out loud what you want, saying out loud what you feel to Him. It is a connection. It's like a connection between you and Him. Singing a song with your heart is like singing that song to Him. Worship involves missions. There is a mission for us to worship. There is a different type of worshiping Him, glorifying Him. And it is a mission that we should do. For reputation, exalt God wherever we are. Must exalt Him. Must glorify Him. Whether we are at home or we are at church, or even if we are outside, we can exalt Him, glorify Him as long as we can. Encounter Jesus meaningfully. Let's have an interaction, encounter Jesus Christ, because it was always meant. Can always hear or read what He said through the Bible and find the definition of it, so we can understand and truly send the invitation to worship God. We must share worshiping Him, invite people so that we can invite Him to the truth and the Spirit, so they can also worship the Spirit and truth.